Hi and welcome back to Module 2 of our free SEO course by Growth Mandi. In this session, we are going to explore one of the most crucial aspects of SEO, and that's on-page SEO. If SEO is a house, then on-page SEO is the foundation. It's where everything begins, from how your content is written, to how it's structured, and how search engines understand it. So what is on-page SEO? It's the process of optimizing individual web pages to improve their search engine rankings and bring in relevant organic traffic. This means we are working within the page, its content, HTML tags, metadata, structure, and so on. The main goal here is to make your content more understandable to both users and search engines. Let's talk about the major components of on-page SEO. Title tag. This is the clickable title you see in Google search results. It should include your main keyword and be clear, relevant, and unique. Example, Best SEO Tools for Beginners in 2024. Meta description. This is the short description that appears below your title in search results. It should be compelling and explain what your page offers in 160 characters or less. Headings H1, H2, H3. These help organize your content. The H1 tag is usually the main headline. Use H2S and H3S to break your content into readable sections. URL structure. Short, clean, and keyword-rich URLs perform better. Example, yourwebsite.com SEO Basics is way better than yourwebsite.com page. ID 12. Keyword placement. Use your primary keyword naturally in the title, opening paragraph, headings, and conclusion, but avoid keyword stuffing. Let's go deeper. Internal linking. Link to other related content on your website. This helps both users and search engines navigate your site better. Image optimization. Always add alt text to images. It helps with SEO and accessibility. Also, compress your images so your page loads faster. Mobile friendliness. With most traffic coming from phones, your website must be responsive. Use mobile-friendly themes and test your site with Google's mobile-friendly test. Page speed. If your site takes forever to load, users will bounce. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Gmetrics to analyze and improve your loading time. Content quality. Above all, your content should solve real problems, be original, and easy to read. Use bullet points, visuals, and real examples to keep it engaging. Here are some pro tips to take your on-page SEO to the next level. Focus on user intent, what exactly the person is looking for when they type that keyword. Use LSI keywords or related terms to give context. Write like a human, but optimize like an SEO pro. If possible, use schema markup to enhance your results with ratings, FAQs, or event info. Some tools I recommend: Yoast SEO for WordPress optimization, Grammarly for readability, Surfer SEO or NeuronWriter for content optimization, and of course, Google Search Console to track performance. Now, if you want to not just learn SEO, but actually apply it on real-world projects, then I highly recommend joining our JIP Job-Oriented Industrial Projects program. In JIP, you'll work on live SEO projects every week. Get access to 15+ premium tools. Build a professional resume, cover letter, and portfolio. Get 2 certifications and full job placement support. And the best part? You'll learn directly from industry mentors during weekend live sessions and get real feedback. So if you're serious about mastering SEO and making it your career, then don't wait. Just search Jib by Growth Mandi on Google and explore everything the program has to offer. That wraps up Module 2 on on-page SEO. In the next module, we'll dive into off-page SEO, how to build trust and authority through backlinks. Till then, keep optimizing, keep learning, and keep growing with Growth Mandi. See you in the next video.